Hi everyone, Nerdy Hillbilly here, and today's suggestion, actually I don't have a picture comment for it because he told me to do it. Alright, I was told to go eat some dog shit, and you know who you are out there, mister. I'll give you a hint. His YouTube channel rhymes with Perkins. Alright, go to the bathroom. Hey, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see any new Nerdy Hillbilly videos. And I will see y'all later. Bye! And don't forget to get your Nerdy Hillbilly merch at Chaos and Class Designs. Now, easy does it, Karens out there. This is what I used, not actual dog shit.